Hello, I am Mallikarjun Hudedmani. Would like to share my video lectures and problem solving classes to you all to make your preparation easier and solve problems in a very effective manner. Number of problems which have been used to present to you surely help you to get the good attention to solve the problems. Your constructive feedback is always expected, and please give feedback to improve upon the videos which I'm going to upload. This is how synchronous generator. The first question what we get from is list the advantages of rotating field mechanism. We can see here four advantages. How is that rotating field ns inside this hollow space rotor is advantageous is explained here. List the advantages of rotating field mechanism. How is that insulation provision is advantageous, collection of EMF is advantageous, high capacity building is advantageous, high speed operation advantageous, insulation to the rotor is easier for low voltage is mentioned here. So this is the first question, list the advantages of rotating field mechanism. The question. The very next question is explain the constructional features of a synchronous generator. One is stator as shown over here. Second is salient pole kind of rotor, projected pole. So we have shaft, steel frame, then we have projected pole structure, pole core, pole shoes, and other windings. It looks like a projected. And here it is solid forged cylinder on whose outer surface evenly cut slot exists to create NS poles. This is called smooth cylindrical rotor. Here winding is done and it is being connected to the requirement. So therefore you have salient pole, smooth cylindrical rotor. So 1, 2, 3, three diagrams. Respect to labeling of identification of label part and writing is required. As a complete one question worth 6 marks. 2 plus 2 plus 2 like that. If it is a compare rotor 1, rotor 2, I have a question here, maybe here. Can you see here? Salient pole, smooth cylindrical. You have to have table like this. Hope you are able to see my table here. This was the expectation. A table 1, row, column 1, column 2. Type 1, type 2. You need to furnish the information of these two in that table. Once you have a construction feature, the very next is equation of EMF of a generator. What is the equation of EMF generator? 2.225ZF KPKD. Hope you remember this. 2.225ZF KPKD. That is a short derivation here. Very, very short derivation. Change in flux and change in time, ratio of them. And take the N in terms of Pn by 120 equal to frequency and average to RMS conversion by form factor. Then you will be landing upon 2.225ZF value. And KPKD are the factors which are assumed. Winding is said to be full pitch, which is not done. Winding is said to be concentrated, which is not done. Then compensation is multiply this equation by Kp and Kd. And what are those things? Kp, Kd, which are given in the examination for a solution. Then we have some comparison from examination. So question one is comparison of rotor 1, rotor 2. Equation of frequency Pn by 120. Then application of direct numericals. Very, very short duration. Hardly I covered this topic in 3 hours. I remember it. So therefore, it's a very short duration module in the chapter, and you can just concentrate how many conductor, how turns and conductors are linked, how the number of total conductors are calculated, slots into conductor per slot divided by 3. Like that, you need to concentrate. So please practice these problems which I have shared to you over here. Is just sufficient. Maybe a star connected, maybe a delta connected. So like this, these are problems which I have already discussed with you in one of the special classes with